Hey everyone, we are back with another unboxing, and as you can see over here we have got a similar packaging of Redmi phone which we have seen in the past. This time adding to our Redmi Note 9 series is Redmi Note 9. Although it is our first Redmi Note 9 phone, but we have already covered Poco M2 Pro in a previous video, which is already a rebranded version of a Redmi Note 9 Pro variant, also the Max variant if you minus the some features. Now heading back to the unboxing, there are few details at the back. As you can see, there are few highlights at the back. As the mentioned color is 4GB 64GB pebble gray, and pricing at the top. Now there is something at this side which says with easy access to Google Apps, which is just a mockery to some phones which do not support the Google Apps. Now heading back to the packaging back and cutting through the seals. Let's just unbox the device. Also, our YouTube analytics show that most of you who are watching us have not subscribed to us. So it would be appreciable if you subscribe to us, as we are coming up with more videos every week. Now, as we unbox the phone, we have got another box inside, and you can see there is a SIM ejector tool at the front, some documentation leaflet which shows our information and warranty and other things. You get a silicone case. It is dark in color, not a transparent one, kind of transparent but not so transparent. Keeping everything aside now and heading back to the phone, as you can see the phone has arrived in the plastic cover. Now just let's getting rid of this plastic and keeping the phone aside, putting the phone first. Digging further in, we can see a Type-C cable which is white in color, a great accessory or gate power unit, and also we get a power adapter which is rated at 22.5 watts, as you can see over here. So that's all from the box contents. Now moving back to the device, as you have already saw, the device is booting up and it has got the MIUI 12 at the front out of the box, which is based on Android 10. Now here we have got a 4GB 64GB variant in a pebble gray color, as you can see over here. It's a great color at the front. Now removing the stickers first, because with that we can have a clear view. As we have removed the sticker, now you can see the device is quite great at the first impression. Now at the front we get the 6.53 inch Full HD Plus LCD display along with a punch hole camera at the top. As you can see over here, it is a punch hole camera at the top, which results into the resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, which basically translates into 23 by 40. Pause. Now this punch hole camera holds 16 megapixel selfie snapper having aperture of f2.3. Now getting the overview of the phone, you can see at the back it looks quite shiny, and already it is started getting some dirt on it because of the fingerprint. So it is quite a fingerprint magnet, so we will recommend you to cover the phone with the case which has been given in the box. Now getting the overview, at the right side you will get a SIM tray, at the left side you will get a SIM tray. At the top you will get a IR blaster along with a secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the right you will get the volume rockers along with the power button. Now at the bottom you will get a USB Type-C port along with the speaker grills and a headphone jack and primary microphone flanked at either sides. So the phone looks quite great. It's a little heavy at the just completing the formalities over here. It is accepting, it is not getting, just checking the boxes. Let's just skip this step and go ahead. So as it is getting booted up, we don't want anything, let's just proceed further. We will keep it on classic. Setup is complete. So as the apps are loaded, as you can see at the top, it is a quad. Now moving to the back, it has got a quad camera array setup which is a main primary camera of 48 megapixel along with 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of depth and macro camera each. Also, we have got a fingerprint sensor over here. It is quite fixed into the body itself. It is quite uniform, as you can see over here, but the camera bump is slightly bigger, as you can see in this video. Also a tiny flash at the side. Now it has got the setup complete and it's just asking us to wait. By the time it is getting set up, the heart of the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85, which is maximum clocked at 2 GHz along with Mali G52 GPU. So now this phone has got something great like Hyper Engine with MediaTek Helio G85, so it will be better for the gaming experience. To summarize everything, it has got a 5020 mAh battery along with a 22.5 watt charger which we have got in the box. As you can see over here, the 22.5 watt charger, which is a quite big brick in this Note series so far. So it is a quite great upgrade depending on the predecessor of Redmi Note 8. To summarize everything, the phone is launched at 12K, giving all the GST hike and the import hike. The Xiaomi doesn't if the Xiaomi doesn't increase the price, it is a great buy. And with great exchanges and deals so far in the online segment, you can get this phone easily below 10K, so which is a great product to buy. So if you're stuck with us till here, do like the video and subscribe to us for more such upcoming videos. Stay connected and stay safe.